How to see which devices are using Prime Video account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar and type Prime Video. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Prime Video and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on Open. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on My Stuff. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up settings. Now tap on register devices. Now on this page you can find all of your registered devices or logged in devices. Now to remove the device, simply tap on sign out next to the device. Now tap on sign out. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.